Welcome to Magic Marks. Our today's episode delves into the life of one of India's most beloved figures, Dr. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam. Known as the Missile Man of India and the People's President, his journey from a small town to becoming a renowned scientist and the President of India is truly inspirational. Abu Pakir Jainulabdin Abdul Kalam was born on October 15, 1931, in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu, India. He came from a humble background. His father, Jainulabdin, was a boat owner and imam of a local mosque, and his mother, Ashiama, was a housewife. Young Kalam's interest in academics was evident early on. He was an average student but had a keen interest in learning, especially in mathematics and physics. After completing his schooling at Schwartz Higher Secondary School, Ramanathapuram, he went on to attend St. Joseph's College, Tiruchirappalli, where he graduated in physics in 1954. His pursuit of higher education led him to the Madras Institute of Technology, MIT, in 1955, where he studied aerospace engineering. It was here that his passion for aeronautics blossomed. Dr. Kalam once said, "To succeed in your mission, you must have single-minded devotion to your goal." After graduating from MIT, Dr. Kalam joined the Aeronautical Development Establishment of the Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO. However, it was his work with the Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, that marked the beginning of his illustrious career. He was the project director of India's first satellite launch vehicle, SLV-3, which successfully deployed the Rohini satellite in near-Earth orbit in 1980. Dr. Kalam's contributions to India's missile development program earned him the nickname Missile Man of India. He played a pivotal role in developing the Agni and Prithvi missiles. His leadership in the Pokhran II nuclear test in 1998 demonstrated India's nuclear capabilities and brought him national and international acclaim. Beyond his scientific achievements, Dr. Kalam's vision for India was encapsulated in his works such as India 2020, where he laid out an ambitious plan for transforming India into a developed nation. His other notable works include Wings of Fire, his autobiography, and Ignited Minds. In 2002, Dr. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam became the 11th President of India. During his tenure, he was affectionately known as the People's President for his accessibility and genuine connection with the common people, especially the youth. His presidency was marked by his commitment to education and innovation. Even after his presidency, Dr. Kalam continued to inspire through his lectures, writings, and interactions with students. He believed that the youth are the key to a bright future and often said, "Dream, dream, dream." Dreams transform into thoughts and thoughts result in action. Dr. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam passed away on July 27, 2015, while delivering a lecture at the Indian Institute of Management, Shillong. His demise was a significant loss, but his legacy continues to inspire millions. His life story is a testament to the power of perseverance, dedication, and dreaming big. Thank you for joining us in this tribute to Dr. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam. May his life and words continue to ignite minds and inspire future generations. Remember, as Dr. Kalam said, you have to dream before your dreams can come true.